Chapter 12. Waste Technology: The Need for Future. This chapter emphasizes the importance of recycling to manage waste effectively, preserve resources, and reduce pollution. It discusses the environmental benefits and the challenges involved in recycling plastics. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use and it is worthless or of no use. Recycling waste not only helps save money but also helps to keep the environment clean. In this way, we can lessen the pollution that is created by burning rubbish and save valuable resources. Many countries encourage recycling and new technology allows more waste to be reused. Most of the rubbish that can be reused are paper, metals, glass and even plastic. Half the world's waste consists of paper. Many countries import waste paper rather than new pulp for their paper mills. The waste is pulped, cleaned and bleached to remove most of the ink and dirt before it is turned into new paper in the same way as wood pulp or rags. Metals are recycled into new steel and other metals. A new car, today, consists of parts of earlier cars that have been scraped and turned into steel sheets. Aluminium is worth recycling because extracting it from bauxite consumes a huge amount of electricity. Since most aluminium today is recycled, the energy used to make aluminium had fallen by a quarter since the early 1970s. Glass is also worth recycling. The most sensible method is to use glass bottles as often as possible. Broken glass known as cullet can also be recycled. Many Western countries have bottle banks into which used bottles can be thrown. Bottle banks depend on people's goodwill. Cullets of mixed colors can be used only to make green glass. Broken glass can be remelted in furnaces and then it can easily be shaped into new bottles and other objects. Plastic is one of the most difficult substances to recycle because it comes into many varieties. Some plastic bottles, for example, consist of 6 layers of different types of plastic, each designed to give the bottles certain qualities, shape, strength and flexibility. And as yet there is no easy way to change an old plastic bottle into a new one. Unfortunately, plastic scrap can only be turned into a lower quality product. That is, plastic might be cleaned only to be cut into very tiny pieces and are used to stuff seat cushions. Durable fencing can be made when a mixture plastic waste is recycled into plastic timber.